Hi everybody, welcome back. Has everybody got their clock face designed? Okay. We're going to go and make it now. So, to make it, you click Make It, and it puts the two on different mats, which is good because we're going to cut them out of two different papers. Now we need to load our mat. Tell it to continue. I have some of my favorite types of paper set here. We're going to be using craft cardstock. So select the craft cardstock. I suggest you set it on custom materials, and that way every time you have to pick your paper. My tools are all loaded. All I need is the knife blade. So we tell it to go ahead as soon as I get my paper loaded. We're going to load our paper now. Put the paper on the cardstock up in the upper corner and smooth it down really well. Then we would load it into the Cricut and hit load. Our paper is loaded now, so we're going to press go on the machine. Here's where you press go. It'll be flashing. You just press go, and it'll start cutting. And then you just unload the paper. I've got my second piece of cardstock loaded on, and now I'm going to load it into the machine. Again, the flashlight. As you can see, it moved from the first mat to the second mat, and it's all ready to cut. With the second piece of paper loaded, we're going to go ahead and press go, and it'll cut it out. This is going to take a while, so we're going to end it here and come back when it's done. It's done now, so we're going to unload the paper by hitting the flashing light. You can pull the excess paper off just by pulling it off, setting it aside. Curl the mat so that it lifts it up a little bit, and then you can pull off paper. When your project's all cut out, you just type finish and you're done. We need to glue these two together. I use Scotch brand glue from Walmart. It works really well. Use the little pointy end and outline the areas you want to glue. You want to make sure you get all of these areas in here so that they're glued down, because you don't want them coming up when you're trying to glue down your paper. When you're trying to get your clock to run, you don't want the extra little pieces of paper coming up. For the rest of it, you can use tape glue for the big areas, and it holds it down perfectly well. But on the little areas, you want to spread it around so that you get everything covered. Now we're going to stick them together. Make sure it's centered where you want it to be. Right on the edge. And press it down well. And let it dry. And there is our finished clock face.